during the remonetization period, we are extremely grateful to the people of India who have, in very large measure, supported this move. The remonetization has substantially advanced. And what is significant is that not a single incident of any form of unrest has been reported in the country. The Reserve Bank has very large amounts of currency available, and it will continue to support the market to the extent that the market needs that kind of liquidity. Amongst the currency which was in circulation on the 8th of November, a very large part has already been replaced and would continue to be replaced to the extent that the market requires that currency. More and more notes of rupees 500 are also being released into the market through the banking and the post office system, and therefore we can now see a lot more currency coming into recirculation, which is enabling the banking system and the ATMs to further augment the supplies itself. Already, a large part of the benefits of this historic move are visible. A lot more money has come into the banking system. Cash has an anonymity attached to it. What comes into the banking system gets identified with a person. And therefore, its impact on taxation and revenue collection is already being seen. The ability of the banks to lend has now increased. The revenue figures itself are most significant. We have till the 19th of December the direct tax figures of income tax, which are now available, and the net increase in the income tax so far has been to the extent of 14.4%. And if one factors in very large quantums of refund, because these days the refunds are also made immediately, the net increase is still 13.6% till 19th of December. The indirect tax figures are also available. And notwithstanding what the critics have predicted, in all the categories till 30th of November, there is a very significant increase in indirect taxation. In the central indirect taxes, the increase is 26.2%. This is till the 30th of November. And this includes excise duties increasing by 43.5%, service tax increasing by 25.7%, and customs duties by 5.6%. We've also tried to check up the figures for the month of November, which could have been adversely impacted on account of the currency replacement. Compared to the November of 2015, on a year-to-year basis, the November of 2016, all the three indirect taxes, the collection is much higher. We've also been trying to look at the figures of the state governments for the actual month of November, which would be reported by the state governments only towards the end of December. The increase or decrease is not very significant. And in several areas which could have been impacted because of this move, for example, in the field of agriculture, because we were also concerned that it should not cause any distress in the rural areas, the Rabi sowing overall for all crops is 6.3% higher than last year.